Hello guys, so here's just a quick video showing you how to put UV filters on your camera. So I'll be showing you with two different lenses. One is a smaller one and one's a bigger one. Right? Well, most people who started buying UV filters, who puts them on themselves, would just simply mount it on. This is perfectly fine, but it's not what I feel is not the right way to do it, just mounting it on. First, you have to clean the lens first. Before mounting it on, you have to clean the lens itself. So, what I recommend you to do is to have a microfiber cloth or a brush, or if you have this kind of blower, it's fine too. Alright, so I'm gonna use the brush and this one. So first, you're going to brush off any dust. Reason why I use brush is because it's faster rather than squishing the blower thing. Now, many people might not recommend this step, but then I recommend this step. You can use distilled water to spray on your lenses or your cloth, but I recommend you just blowing onto your lens and then just wipe it off. Now, when you wipe off, you want to keep your wiping motion at the circular motion like this, and then make sure you apply a little force, not too much, on the lens. Okay, now go in few circles, make sure that everything is cleaned off. Just check. Now if there are a few dots over there, you can use your brush again and do the same thing. Now when it's done, take the lens cap and just put it on top. Don't really have to push it in, just put it on top, covering the lens. Now you want to take your UV filter, and then since this is mounted like this, you want to clean this part only, the bottom part. Now similar thing, just take a brush off and then blow onto the thing. Circular motion. Apply a little bit of force because you don't want to break it. Go a few circles. If you still have some fingerprints on it, blow one more time and then just clean it. So just clean it like a normal lens. I'll take a brush. Just scrape off any excess, any extra dust. Now to pop out the cap and just mount it on directly as quickly as possible. Now if you do this correctly, you should have a clean lens and a clean bottom of the UV filter. Now you're just gonna have to repeat the step over on the top of the UV filter. Apply a little bit of force and just wipe it on. Now if you do this correctly, you should have a nice clear UV filter on your clear lens. Okay, now let's go to the bigger size. Now at this point you can mount on your hood onto it. Alright, so okay, jumping to the next one, the bigger one. Similar thing, you want to brush off the top of your lens so that there won't be any dust. I gotta do this quick because I have to eat soon. Slow. Now you want to wipe the lens until you can't see any moist on it, because if you keep moist on it, it's gonna be wet, and you don't want that to happen. Brush off any excess dust. If you have blower, that would be great. Now take the cap, put it on top of it. Now put the lens aside. Do the same thing on the bottom. Brush off any excess. Now, recommending any UV filters, I don't really know which is the best, but I just recommend any UV filters to prevent haze or just to sharpen your images a little bit more, prevent flares a bit. I'm not sure what UV filters are for, but what I do know is that it's gonna help you protect your lens. That's why I buy cheaper ones, just to protect my lens. Okay, let me provide you with those kind of super stuff, because I know my lens is able to prevent stuff. I got my food. Alright, so after you've screwed on your UV filter, you just want to brush off the top of the lens to prevent any dust on it. Blow on the filter. circular motion. Apply a little bit of force, you don't want to break it. Just keep on rotating until you don't see any moist on it anymore, or fingerprints. Repeat. I saw fingerprints. Just gonna keep on doing it until you're satisfied. And if you do this correctly, you should have another nice glass on top of your lens. See? So that is the first. I'll show you the second one. See, if you do this correctly, you should have a nice reflecting glass on top of your lens. So that's it. How to apply, how to put UV filters on your camera lens. Hope you like this video. Still trying to put this on, but I can't. I can do it. Alright, so yeah. So hope you like this tutorial. Comment it if you think I need to explain a little deeper. But that's it. So to only use a brush and a microfiber cloth and your mouth to do this stuff. So see you guys. Peace out.